dear friends. I am J. Nishan from class 8A and today's Kutty story of why is why do we get hiccups? Inside your body lives a tiny muscle named diaphragm. Diaphragm was a hard worker. It helps you to breathe in and out every day. One day you ate your food too quickly or drank a fizzy drink. Diaphragm felt surprised and tickled. It's too fast. I can't keep up. Diaphragm shouted. Suddenly it contracted. Suddenly and quickly, and your vocal cords snapped shut for a moment. Hic! The sound escaped, and your body giggled. Diaphragm tried to calm down, but very few seconds it would spasm again, making another hiccup sound. Your brain watched and said, "Don't worry, it's just a little hiccup. It will stop soon." And after a few minutes, diaphragm calmed down and everything went back to normal. Now it's time to know the scientific reason. Why do we get hiccups? Hiccups happen when the diaphragm, the muscle that helps us breathe, contracts suddenly and involuntarily. This sudden contraction causes air to rush into the lungs and vocal cords close quickly, producing the hic sound. Thank you, dears. We will meet you again in the next day with another Kutty story of why. Stay curious and keep learning. See you soon. Bye.